Well, hello, my little YouTubers. Hey, listen, I have some stuff to tell you today. Oh, yes, I do. Now, a little while ago, approximately in February, I purchased, a soap dispenser. And I purchased it off Amazon. Now, I purchased the model name, or the name brand, I guess we'll call it, is, I can't pronounce it obviously. So it's AIKE. That's the company name. Now, it's a wall dispenser. It's stainless steel. And it looks like this. Ta-da! All right? This is exactly what I'm talking about, all right? So, I had this little guy for about 3 months. We'll say about 3 months. All right? Because, you have a bar of soap in your bathroom, maybe perhaps on a tray or like in a soap dish. And you know how it is, right? It gets all clammy and kind of disgusting, all right? So, for me, I just can't get next to that. So I said, there's got to be a better way. So, ladies and gentlemen, I went out and, well, I didn't go out, but I purchased this guy off Amazon from a company that is called AIKE, right? So that's who it is. Now, I said to myself, I said, self, it's good, it's solid, it's nice. But beware, this is extremely sharp. You will cut yourself. And I said to myself, I said, self, everything looks good, but I think this opening where you put your soap, where you refill the soap, this door, it seems a little wanky, all right? I think it's going to be the first thing to break, but I don't really care because it's on the top of the thing. Nobody's going to see it, even if the door is not there. Whoopie-doo, So, I went to use this, all right? I went to use this. I've been using it every day since February. And today we are at the end of May, so we're talking 3 months. All right? So, and I've been pushing this button and everything's great. Until one day, the button never came back out. And the reason for that was this. I'll put it in front of my shirt, yeah? This spring thing, it came out. Or rather, it's inside this, it's inside you. Clank, clank, clank. Well, what the hell's that? And I found this laying in the bottom. So I contacted the seller and I said, hey, and only after 3 months, the seller said, yeah, no problem, we'll send you another one. We apologized. And then I noticed something. As I read the advertisement that he had on Amazon, I said, hey, well, wait a second. The company logo is not there. How come the company logo is not there? How come it does not say AIKE on the top? And the seller said, thank you for bringing that to our attention. We will have a conversation with Amazon. Apparently, Amazon did not ship you our product. They sent somebody else's product. This is not our product, he says. So he said, please be patient with us, and we'll ship ours to you. And I said, okay, great. I'm thinking, I'm going to wait weeks and weeks and weeks for this soap dispenser to come to me. So let me just put this down. So today is Tuesday, and we talked on Sunday. Guess what? When I came home today, when I came home today, I noticed this on my door. Whoopie-doo. Oh, hang on, I just got to make a little adjustment here to my camera. I see something I don't like. And what I'm not liking is, I'm not liking, this is kind of weird. Ta-da! Now that's better. Now you can read it. Ta-da! Anyway, so this arrived today. And I opened the box. And I went, woo! Check it out. Ta-da! And you notice, it has the name. Alright, so I'm going to open the box up completely and take out the unit. Now, I paid $31 for this. Alright, I paid $30-something for this. And here it comes. What's with these two things? I don't know. Anyway, oh wow, check this out. Wow. Wow. Empty box. Doo-doo-doo. Anyway, so I have this little packet. What is this? Oh wow, they give me I didn't get this with, yeah I did. But I didn't get this glue thing. It's a sealant. And there's 3 plastic dooflickies and 3 screws. Wow. And instructions. Look at that. So you're getting, well, 3 plastic things, 3 screws, and the sealant. Right? That's what it comes with. And inside, as I unread, oh wow, check this out. Ooh, it's like Christmas. I love Christmas. Don't you love Christmas? Wow, they really wrapped it up well. Look at that. Huh. It's got like a sock. Wow, look, it's like a bag. Look at that. Huh? Isn't it cool? I think it's really cool. Wow. Ooh. Wow. It has the same backing. Oh, I should put gloves. I'm scared. I don't know. I should put... wow. And look. It has the name. And you know, it's a different quality. It's more better. I believe it's better. Because look at the difference. Brush stainless steel. Well, no, that's not brushed. That's just stainless steel. But this one is brushed stainless steel. Ooh, Daddy's happy. Yes, beautiful. And it's a higher quality. Oops. It's a higher quality here. Yeah, it's a higher quality, you can tell. Absolutely beautiful. Yep, I like it. So, if you want to do business with these people, I highly suggest you do. The company name is AIKE, and you'll find them on Amazon. Like I said, I contacted them on Sunday. They responded to me on Monday, and here we are Tuesday. And I have it on Tuesday. That to me is impressive, all right? Very impressive, very satisfied. This company, AIKE, a name to remember. These people are serious sellers. They are completely honest and extremely, I'm talking, I tip my hat to you guys. Fantastic product, fantastic shipping. Daddy's happy, okay? So yeah, shop and comp. Oh wait, the door. I wanted to talk about the door. The door on the top, is it? Oh yes. It's better. Oh, I like it. I like it. It's a lot more, we'll call it better quality. Yeah? Better quality, I think so. Absolutely. One thing I will warn you about is, should you purchase one of these, be very careful. These edges and this piece here, extremely sharp. You will cut your finger, I promise you. Wear gloves. Be safe. Don't be sorry. All right, so that's it for this, what we'll call it, review. But yeah, like I said, I really appreciate what this company did for me. They solved the problem, they recognized the problem, and they took care of the problem. So yeah, this company, I can't pronounce, AIKE, AIKE, I don't know, I can't. There it is, okay? You try and pronounce that. AIKE, Ike, Ike, Ike. I don't know. Why did they spell it with an A? Put it with the letter L, make it, call it like, okay? Because I like this. This is really good. It's really nice. So once again, to this company, thank you for taking care of this little issue. I really appreciate everything that you've done. And I'm telling everybody that's listening to my voice, yeah, go on Amazon if you need one of these, purchase and shop with confidence. That's it for me. Thanks a lot for allowing me to ramble on, and you didn't just shut me down. You wouldn't do that to me, right? All right, so thank you. Bye.